Hello traders, today's video is about the symmetrical triangle chart pattern, how to find it and how to trade it. But before we start, here are the disclaimers. Forex trading or trading the foreign exchange on margin carries a high level of risk and may not be suitable for all investors. Past performance is not indicative of future results. The high degree of leverage can work against you as well as for you. This is my own disclaimer. This content is for information purposes only and should never be considered as a professional advice. Every investor has a different risk tolerance and goal. Always do your own research. All investments have risk. Risk only the money you are not afraid to lose. So basically, this is the most common chart pattern that the traders use. Okay, the symmetrical triangle. It's easier to spot in the chart. Okay, and it's easier to trade. But these have some rules. First, the triangle should have lower highs and higher lows. Second is that at least it touch the line twice, up and down. Okay traders, so now we are in our MT4 chart. This is the Swiss franc, Japanese yen, and the pattern started on November 19. You can see on the 15-minute chart, clearly you can see here, okay, there is some higher lows and lower highs. So what do you mean by higher lows? Meaning this is high, this will be your higher lows, meaning high but it's lower than this. Then also again this, higher lows, it's high but lower than this. Then you have here lower highs. You see here this is low, then this is lower high. Okay, it's low but it's low but it's on the high. Then again here lower high of this one, not of this one, because of this one it will be lower low because it's high, lower high, then lower low. But if you start from here, this will be low, then lower high, lower high. We are going to put the trend lines here and then here, start from here. Okay, so the rules, okay, the two rules that we have previously will prove that this one is a symmetrical triangle. So we have lower highs, lower high, then we have higher lows, then it touch the trend line at least twice. Okay, so now how to trade this chart pattern. So first we need to see change the color of the line. Okay, so basically what you will do is find the nearest touch of the trend line here, then we have here, right? So what you will do is that you put on maybe around 10 pips, or let's say 2 pips higher than this. So your entry will be here. Okay, so that will be your, let's put the text here, that will be your buy stop. your buy stop. Then this level will be your sell stop. Okay guys, so meaning if the price breaks through this level here, your trade or your sell stop will be triggered. If it goes up here, your buy stop will be triggered. Okay, stop loss, as per what Dave said about this strategy on the pattern. So what you will do is, with your stop loss, from here to here, okay, baseline, this is your baseline. Okay, this is the base of your triangle. As you can see here, it's saying like you have 23 pips. So half of that will be your stop loss. Same with your take profit. So 23, then you have down here. So 23. I'll put like this. Okay. 114, 11, 114. Okay, 114, 100. Okay, this will be your TP. Your TP, then your stop loss, same. One, 3, 6, 7. Okay, so this will be your TP here, then your stop loss will be here. So this will be your take profit on the sell stop. Okay guys, so now you are set up, you are ready for the trade. Okay, so as you can see here, okay, from here we start, because we'll see where the price is going. Okay, there. Okay, so your buy stop was hit. Okay, it was triggered here. Okay, and it touches your take profit. Okay. Now there is some other strategy here, guys, which is the seasoned traders are doing. So what they do here, and what I usually do also for buy stop and sell stop, is that once in either of this gets filled up or hit. For example, my buy stop was filled up or hit, I will close my sell stop. Okay, I will close my sell stop, and what happened is that if it goes to the direction that I was hoping for, if I have here, because half of this one, right, half of the base will be my stop loss. So this candle is 15 minutes, right? The next candle will be 15 minutes. Okay, so this is 15 minutes. So what I will do is I will move my stop loss. I will move my stop loss here to break even. So even if the price goes against me, I will secure the break even. So I will lose 0 or at least have like 1 cent, 2 cents. But I will not hit, I don't usually hit my stop loss because I keep on doing this. Okay, this is a 15-minute chart, and like what I said, I always trade the daily chart because on the daily chart, you know, you can really make a plan. I know that you will pay the swap on the daily chart because it will take longer, but the planning and the execution of the trading plan on the daily chart is a lot better than the 15 minutes, because in the 15 minutes you need to sit down on this, okay, and see this, because this will be like very fast. So once your buy stop or sell stop gets hit, you will have only like, see this, 15, 30, 45 minutes and see. But on this trade, okay, our take profit is hit just barely, then it pulls back, and if you still have opened your sell stop here, it will get hit, okay, and then you will hit your stop loss here. So what I do in this situation is that once my buy stop or sell stop gets hit, either gets hit, then I will close the other one, the opposite. So if buy stop gets hit, I will close my sell stop and just let it run. If the price goes to the direction that I intended, then I will move my stop loss to break even. Okay guys, this is one example here. We have another one here. Okay, this is Canadian Swiss franc, 15 minutes also. So same thing. We have here, we'll do here the buy stop, then here will be the sell stop. Okay, but I think it will same. So here we have, let's see the base of our triangle. The base is, let's 9. It's 9 pips. Okay. Here. Okay. So I guess if it's like this, okay, 9 pips, we can go 9 also. Yeah, 9. It's 9. Because half will be here. Half will be 45, so around here. Okay, so it was around here, right, for take profit. And same thing with same thing with B here. Okay, then your stop loss both of the buy stop and sell stop will be here. Okay, so as you can see guys, here our buy stop was hit, it went up all the way, and we have our take profit here, hit, and it went up. Okay, so like what I said, here maybe you don't have the time to move your stop loss because your take profit gets hit. 15 minutes is very, very fast. Okay, if you have any other excuse me, strategy that you can do, then do it. But that's one of the reason I don't trade lower time frame that much. So I trade like 1 day and 4-hour charts, because on the 15 minutes, see if this happens on the daily chart, even though I only have this kind of take profit, but on the daily chart this will be yes, 2 pips. Okay. And for example, if this was on the daily chart, I will maybe have my stop loss only, no take profit. Depends. Okay, depends on the thing, because as you can see, my moving average also is going up, so I might not put a take profit. It's just the stop loss. Okay, here in the lower time frames, you need to have the stop loss, especially if you have the buy stop and sell stop here, because in the lower time frames the prices moves very, very fast. Okay, and if you go to daily chart, as you can see this, all the prices that we have put, they are very, very close to each other. So there's a chance that both your buy stop and sell stop will get hit. While on the daily chart or in the 4-hour chart, you can plan properly. You can plan your take profit, your entry, and your exit. And you have time to move your stop loss to break even, because 1 bar represents 1 day or 4 hours. So you have that time. Okay guys, so I guess that's it. I think you have the idea now how to find the symmetrical triangle and how to trade it. So practice in the demo account, practice every time, learn from your mistake, and that's it. Thank you very much. In a big amount.